Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking popcorn in the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and now I'm going to take popcorn and take it out of the bag and dump it in the air fryer. So let me open up the bag of popcorn. And I will put it in the air fryer. And now this particular popcorn is already buttered, so see how it's stuck together? If that's the case, then just break it up the best you possibly can. Now, your popcorn doesn't have to be buttered, it's just a particular kind has butter on it. You can just use normal dry popcorn. It will work with any kind of popcorn. So let's put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. See, as you can see, most of the popcorn has popped, but there's still some unpopped ones in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the popped popcorn out of the air fryer into a bowl, and then put the unpopped ones back in the air fryer. So just carefully take it out. So now here's the good popcorn. And now let's put the unpopped one back in the air fryer. So I'm going to shake it to evenly distribute it. And let's put the basket back in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look, more of them have popped. And there's still some unpopped ones, but at this point, we'll just let them be. So let's remove the popped ones from the air fryer into the bowl with popcorn. And the air fryer popcorn is ready. Look at this delicious popcorn popped in the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. So crunchy. Perfect. So easy to make popcorn in the air fryer. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!